Hello, Mark. I had to change the password for some crazy reason. The username is the same, Leschal. The password is numbers and letters combined, 60 uppercase W, 15 uppercase S, lowercase t. Okay, now, I got to this page. Domains is what I clicked on. I've had all these domains. I don't remember half of them. I really don't. But I've had all these domains at one time. But there's only one that still says it's active, newflagpole.com. And that's got 119 days left on it. The rest of them, he told me, where is it? Expiration date? No. Nope. 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 Web hosting? Nope. Hosting business. Oh, that's not the page. I'm sorry, I'm going to put this on hold for a second. If I can. Where can I can't find the hold button. There it is. When I click this button, it says Active Domains 1, and that brings this one right up to the top, New Flagpole. There was another page that he showed me that I had 5 boxes that were live, but not live, that needed to be bought again or something. Anyway, just use this one as my outgoing New Flagpole. I have a Microsoft 365 subscription. I have no idea where it is right this second. But, okay, so there you go. Thank you. I'm going to click log in just to make sure this thing works again. Leschal, Leschal, password. Password. 60 uppercase W, 15 uppercase S, lowercase t, question mark. That's what I told you before. Right. Okay, so that works. Log in. Oh man. Bridge. No bridge. I did 20 minutes on this thing before and I couldn't get through it. Finally restarted my computer and I was able to get in. Now it says my login information is not correct. Try this. I don't understand this. Motorcycles. That looks like a bicycle to me.